Hey, thanks for joining me. I'm Wayne. We were at the dollar store again, and our dollar store tends to have some of the older Lego kits. We found this one, Lego 76123. It is called Marvel Avengers Captain America Outriders Attack. Has 167 pieces. We thought we'd open it, build it, see how it comes out. Got a little surprise ending for you, so be sure you watch the end of this video because I think you'll like that. And here it is. We're going to open this and build it. It's pretty interesting. I've always been a Captain America fan, so there's the back side of it. Okay, let's build it. surprise ending for you here. When we get through building this, we'll put it back into the box. Take it all apart, put it back in the box, seal it up. If I can get 100 people, 100 different people, to leave a comment to say you watch this, I'll pull everybody's name out, put it in the hat, draw it out. The winner gets this, the Lego kit we just built. So leave me a comment and you get entered. Okay, we'll see you next time.